Hi everyone! We're back with another travel tip. Actually, nagawa ko na tong video na to, but it's a short video lang. So, this is the more precise version about doon sa travel clearance, yung DSWD travel clearance.
All I need is you, yeah, like all I need is you. Baby, we can rendezvous. Baby, all I need is you, like all I need is you. Baby, all I need is you. Yeah, I'll be honest, 요준이 생각이 많아. It's dishonest to say that I've been feeling alive and I
So yun nga, kasi ang dami kong nababasa na namomroblema sila dahil delayed yung issuance ng DSWD travel clearance and kailangan na nilang mag-travel with their pamangkin, kapatid, out of the country. Tapos hindi kasama yung parents or either parents nung bata. So nahihirapan sila kasi walang DSWD travel clearance and for sure, ma-offload yung bata. Kasi nga, kailangan yon, requirement yon kung hindi kasama either parent nung bata. And yung process ngayon ng DSWD travel clearance to secure it is kailangan mo dumaan online. Unlike dati, kapag nag-walk-in ka, makukuha mo agad yung result. So first things first, ano nga ba yung DSWD travel clearance? So if a minor child below 18 years old is traveling outside the country unaccompanied by both parents, a travel clearance from the DSWD is actually required. Without this, the child will not be allowed to leave the country, and the travel clearance will be checked at the boarding reception and immigration. And if the child or his adult companions fails to show one, he or she will not be allowed to board the flight. So yes, meron pong mga instances na may mga umaalis kasama yung pamangkin nila without having a DSWD travel clearance at yung pong bata or yung minor na kasama ay hindi po ina-allow na umalis. So merong isang instance na may nabasa akong ganyan sa isang travel group last year. So the minor was actually 17 years old. So 1 year na lang, 'di ba? Ano na siya, 18 years old na. So 17 years old yung minor, sinama nila and they did not secure a DSWD travel clearance. So hindi po pinayagan na makaalis yung minor. So, ang nangyari, naiwan na po yung minor sa airport and syempre, 'di ba, kung ikaw po yung minor or kung anak mo yung minor, you will feel very bad din doon sa bata dahil very excited siya na makapunta kung saan man yung destination nila. Let's say Hong Kong, Disneyland. So, excited siya to experience that but hindi siya i-allow dahil wala siyang clearance. Children below 18 years old and are traveling alone or with companions other than their parents or legal guardians are required to present a travel clearance. If the traveler is 18 years old naman and above but is unable to take care of himself or herself due to physical or mental disabilities. Okay, examples po, yung 21, nasa legal age na, but they are PWD. Examples of PWD, alam naman na po natin yan. Physically, they may not be able to take care of themselves alone. And then, minsan there are also kids na merong mental, developmental delay, ganyan. Those kids who have autism, yung mga ganon na instances. So, even if they are of legal age and you see or you feel that they cannot take care of themselves alone, so they still need a DSWD travel clearance. So, more specifically, the DSWD travel clearance is also required for the following. So, if yung minor traveling siya mag-isa, so kailangan niya po niyan ng clearance. If a minor is traveling with adoptive parents for purpose of inter-country adoption. Meron po kasing mga instances na ganon. So merong mga nag-a-adopt like dadalhin nila sa ibang bansa yung ina-adopt nila. So kailangan po na ganon. Minor traveling with a person other than the child's parents, legal guardian, or person with legal custody over the child. Illegitimate minor traveling with his or her biological father only. So, kung illegitimate meaning hindi po kasal ang parents ng minor, so kapag kahit po kasama yung biological father, kailangan po ng DSWD travel clearance. Kasi parang sa atin kasi, ang custody talaga ng minor ay nasa mother. So, kapag hindi po kasal ang parents, so illegitimate ang bata, they would still require a DSWD travel clearance. And married minors, meron palang gano'n, yung mga kinasal na minor. So, they are still required to secure a travel clearance. Para dun sa mga requirements ng travel clearance, ilalagay ko na lang po dito para makita ninyo kasi madami po talagang mga requirements ang travel clearance. So, if you want to see everything, nagulat nga ako, sobrang dami ng requirements pala ng travel clearance. So, yan, if you want to see everything, so just check them out doon sa official website. So, ifo-flash natin dito. Kasi alam niyo na, you have to be very careful nowadays. Merong mga ibang mga nagfi-fish or gumagawa ng mga scam na website. So, let's not go to those websites po. Make sure na doon tayo sa talagang sa totoong website noong ating mga kailangan gawin. So, like the DSWD official website. So, wag po tayong pupunta kapag may nag-suggest sa atin na pumunta sa website ng ganito tapos hinihingan kayo ng payment na mas malaki pa sa totoong payment talaga ng DSWD travel clearance or whatnot. So, wag po natin gagawin yon. Go lang tayo doon sa official website nung DSWD. Meron din namang mga exemptions yung pagkuha ng DSWD travel clearance. So, one is of course if the minor is a legitimate child, meaning yung parents ay kasal. So, legitimate child ng minor and is traveling with one or both parents. So, for example, ako, nadala ko both si Kuya Orion and si Gianna without my husband because they are legitimate. So, ako yon, mother, of course. And number two, so if the minor is an illegitimate child but is traveling with the biological mother. So sabi ko nga, kahit na hindi kasal ang parents ng minor, basta magta-travel siya with the biological mother ay okay lang na walang DSWD travel clearance. So siguro pwedeng magdala si mommy ng PSA birth certificate para to prove yung birth certificate ng bata to prove na magnanay sila. Kasi minsan 'di ba, may mga cases na dahil hindi nga kasal si mother and father ng bata, so sometimes, yung bata kinukuha niya or ginagamit niya yung last name ng father and then magkaiba na sila ng, kasi si mother ay single pa rin yung last name niya. So, may times daw kasi na gano'n hinahanapan ng IO ng PSA birth certificate kapag illegitimate yung bata since hindi sila same ng last name nung, mother. So, that's just to prove para at least meron kayong extra document or, meron kayong document to show proof of your relationship. Number three, if the minor is an illegitimate child and is traveling with his or her biological father who has sole parental authority or custody, as evidenced by a court order. So yun, pwede rin palang walang DSWD travel clearance kung yung minor, yung father niya ay nabigyan ng sole custody or parental authority. So siguro may mga papers din na kailangan nyo pong dalhin kung ganun ang situation ninyo para hindi na kayo kukuha ng travel clearance. And then number four, if the minor is traveling with his or her legal guardian. So, sa mga legal guardian, syempre meron ding documents na kailangan ipakita dyan. So, dadalhin nyo na lang po yun. And then number five, if the minor is traveling with his or her adoptive parents and can present the adoption decree and certificate of finality. So, yan. Again, documents po na magpapatunay sa adoption nung minor. So, yun. Always remember na before traveling with a minor, make sure na sure kayo na pwede kayong mag-travel without a DSWD travel clearance. And if kailangan nyo naman kumuha ng DSWD travel clearance, make sure na kunin nyo na po siya ahead of time. Sabi ko nga, sobrang dami ng requirements na kailangan nyo pong isubmit dahil sa bagong process ngayon na nasa online na siya, I think, kasi merong nag-comment dun sa dun sa first na ginawa kong video about it. So, may nag-comment daw na sobrang tagal. Hindi lang daw matagal yung process, sobrang dami pang kailangan na requirements na isubmit. So, if by any chance ay gusto nyong isama yung pamangkin ninyo at nahihirapan kayong kumuha, isama niyo na rin yung nanay, yung biological mom. Kasi as long as kasama yung nanay, hindi kailangan kumuha ng DSWD travel clearance when traveling abroad kasama ang minor. Kasi kasama niya yung biological mother niya. Legit or illegitimate man ang bata. So, yun.
네 생각이 난다고 alright 너의 목소리가 너무 그리웠다고 all the
Again, nandito po sa ating video yung official page ng DSWD website. Pati na rin yung PSA na website ilalagay na po natin kasi nandun din yung some of the information nandun din po sa kanilang website. And always make sure na nasa legit website kayo if you are going to apply for the DSWD travel clearance. Again, kasi nga po marami pong mga hacker or mga ano na nagsisend na mga ganyan-ganyan tapos nanghihingi sila ng payment upfront. Yun. And yung price ng DSWD travel clearance, I believe is 800 pesos based doon sa website nila. And nakalagay nga ngayon, it's a one-time use na lang siya. Kasi parang meron pong nagsabi before na 1 year valid daw yung DSWD travel clearance. So ngayon naman nakalagay one-time use lang siya. So i-double check nyo na lang po kung ano ba talaga, kung nagbago na rin ba yun talaga. Kasi ang hirap naman. Sa totoo lang, ang hirap nun kung one-time use lang siya. Tapos every time you want to get you need to get a DSWD travel clearance, ayun. So, yun lang po ang mga masasabi ko. Kasi ang experience kasi namin diyan before, yun nga yung brother ko dinala nung isang sister ko and that time yung brother ko was 17 years old ha. 17 years old but they still managed to get a DSWD travel clearance and walk in. So, si mama yung nag-asikaso nun. And then yung dalawang pamangkin ko naman, sinama sila ng sister ko sa Tokyo and they were able to get yung mother ang nag-asikaso. So they were able to get din walk-in din that time. So mabilis lang. So ngayon sobrang natatagalan na daw sila ngayon sa clearance. But again, ayun nga, sabi ko nga po, make sure na if you have plans na isama yung mga pamangkin ninyo, mga kapatid ninyo na minor abroad without the parents, make sure na kunin nyo po ahead of time para po to avoid hassle. And kung wala na talagang choice, isama niyo na yung magulang. Isama niyo na yung mother, yan. Pinakaimportante yung mother yung kasama kung ayaw niyo nang kumuha to avoid the hassle of getting the DSWD travel clearance. Ayan po, thank you so much for watching this video and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!
건너편에 앉아있어 한 걸음씩 가까이 더 기다리다 보면 알겠지 너 따라가다 보면 나는 네 자취를 남겨줘 세상에는 아마도 정말로 너 뿌리고 나갈 때 널 따라가줘 baby